Okay, so we will take a look at how to export the Smartsheet into PDF format, right? So to do that, I'm on Smartsheet dashboard, right? So I'm currently using it in trial mode, so that appears with number of days at the top, right? Now what you can do is you can take a look at your available set of sheets, click on one of them. In my case, this is financial data. So this sheet I'm going to export into PDF. So we will take a look at file and then export, right? Here you have export to PDF options. Now you can export entire sheet. You can use paper size as letter A4, A5, A32 and so on, right? So you can choose between legal or letter, so the orientation makes the difference along with inches there, right? So let's take a look at A4. Then you have margins. I will keep them small. You can have them in landscape. There is portrait, but you can have it in landscape, right? Entire sheet you want it. Next is you can include the logo, remove that, include sheet name, you can have that, row numbers if you want, date and time stamp, most likely you would be ignoring that. Then page number if you want, comments and collapse rows, those things you can add up. You can also add note to header, like if you have this particular sheet for year specific to that, like you are doing cash flow for financial year and so on. In that case you can mention those notes here, right? Once you made all those notes and changes, you can simply click OK to initiate the PDF. You can see 69 pages. Click continue, right? Now here you can start it and it will open like this. Notice the name of the sheet at the top. Then you have your row numbers, then columns. Like this, there are total 69 sheets. You can also get another alternative. It's narrow down the important data, turn that into another sheet, and then export this. This way you will have exactly the type of data that you want. This is what I would recommend, right? Another thing is making sure to remove or ignore in some columns within the spreadsheet. So you can take a look at this for exporting to PDF.